Introducing India lanutan, Monon longifolia of the family Anonaceae. India lanutan can grow to 30 meters tall. It has long, glossy, dark green lanceolate leaves that can reach up to 15 centimeters in length. One of its most delightful traits is its small, fragrant flowers which bloom in clusters and are typically white to yellow. Injalanutan plays an important role in its ecosystem. As a member of subtropical and tropical forests, it provides shelter and food for various species of wildlife. Birds and mammals consume the tree's fruits, while its flowers attract pollinators like bees and birds, making it a vital part of the food web. Additionally, the tree's dense foliage offers habitat for insects and other small animals. It is often planted in gardens and used in landscaping for its striking appearance and fragrant flowers. In some cultures, its parts are used in traditional medicine, with the tree treasured for its perceived health benefits.